Well, here it is, February, and you can still not escape Christmas completely because this place is Christmas all year long. Great. Where are the all year long Halloween parks? Where? I don't see any. Always Christmas. Well, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you'll know that I've been trying to bring you guys here before, but every time I've tried to come here, it's been closed. So, or it's been too cold in January. But today is a little bit over 80, and let's check it out. If you've never been to Disney's Blizzard Beach water park before, either have I. So we're both going to experience it for the first time. Now, not everything is open here, but at least the park is open. Now, since I'm going on water rides, I don't have my backpack and I don't have my SLR because I'm not paying for a locker. Always, when you walk into a park, to the left, you'll find the gift shop. That's true if it's Disney or Universal. It's just your standard gift shop for a water park. Towels, flip-flops in case you somehow don't have them, sunglasses. That makes more sense though. Obviously this has a ski resort winter theme to it. It is a weekday, school day, so I don't know why there's so many kids here during it's just after 2 o'clock. If you've ever been to a ski resort, it really is like this, with the skis right outside here, and snowboards. Well, at least you can actually see the maps here, unlike Typhoon Lagoon, which are so faded you can't see a damn thing. Let's go on the chairlift, if it's running. And of course the lazy river. If we have time, we'll go around a full lap on it. I'll speed it up. And those are the tourist helicopters you can rent. Maybe someday I'll go on that if I get enough ad clicks. If I get enough ad clicks and enough money to afford to go on it, I will. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It's been several decades since I've been on one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never actually been on like a ski one, but I've been on this one.
Oh, I've been in a ski one many, many, many times. I grew up in the Northeast. Never been on one in Florida though. All right. Ah, there we go. Now I got skis, sort of. This looks like it might be kind of cool. It's a bit of a drop, but it's not too intense. Here's a look at the park. And off in the distance, you see the Tower of Terror. This is kind of cool. And that's the ski lift we just went on. Oh, there's a lot of these bees around here, and they are huge. Don't like bees. Never been allergic, but still don't like being stung. For those of you who don't know, that's supposed to look like a snow maker, snow machine. Nice theming. Of course, it's just a misting fan, but And here we go. Eventually. Woo! I hope this angle works. Let's try the Teamboat Springs. Says it's the longest raft run, one of the world's longest raft runs, so it can't be fast, otherwise it'd be over fast. All right. Hello, rented family.
Hello.
Just happened to be the right quantity, didn't I? Oh, nice. Oh. When I said it was long, it's like, well, it can't be fast. It can't be both. Woo! Backwards! Yay! Woo! Oh! Your turn to be backwards. That was pretty cool.
We must drift to these.
Yeah. That was cool. Not so hidden Mickey. They have that at Typhoon Lagoon as well. Well, here's the kids area, but not allowed in. Guess I can't. I guess I'm not allowed to have fun. That's no fun. Here's a very, very dry water slide. Twists and turns a little too much. I don't think I'd want to go on that anyway. Which is good because I can't.
On your mark, get set, go!
Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo! That's a lot more. Yeah. It's a lot smoother than Wet and Wilds. This is the Cross Country Creek, or commonly known as the Lazy River, but that's not what they call it here. I'm going to gonna ride the whole track, but I'm gonna speed it up, so it's not gonna be in real time.
Oh, okay.
All right. And there we go. Whoa. Okay. I was all right, but the camera almost fell. Oh, this isn't cold. It's actually warm. All right. Now to speed up. Now, where have you ever seen a wave pool with tubes? Interesting. I should walk out first. That is not working. That's clearly not working. Really? Should not be this difficult. All right. Slowly make our way over to the point where I'm not allowed to go further. Pretty cool. That is my first trip to Blizzard Beach. Thanks for watching all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.